Another beautiful day spent with the little ones at Calvary Elementary School, filled with learning, laughter, and love.
Noon madilim, anong ginawa ng Lord sa unang araw? Magkaroon ng liwanag.
Sis Marilyn shared a powerful story from the Bible, the story of how God created the world.
Ikalimang araw, nagsalita naman ng Diyos na magkaroon ng iba't ibang uri ng isda. Ginawa ng Diyos ang tao na katulad niya.
From light and sky to land and sea, animals and people, the children listened closely as the story of God's creation come to life before their eyes. After the story, Sis Marilyn asked a few questions.
Kung saan ang istorya natin sa umagang ito? Sige anak. Biblia? Okay, pwede rin. Anak? Ha? Okay, nilikha ng Diyos. Okay, sige. Okay naman, galing naman sa Bible yung tinuro natin ngayon, ha? Ano yung nilikha ng day 5? Sila yung mga lumilipad, sila yung lumalangoy. Kaya isa po sa, ano anak? Ano yung lumilipad? Ano yung lumilipad? Ibon. Ano yung lumalangoy? Yeah!
Their attentiveness showed just how much they learned. To end the day, we handed out packed meals, something to fill not just their tummies, but to remind them they are loved and cared for.